In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Dependencies. By the end, you'll understand what dependencies are, why they're essential for smooth project timelines, and how to surface them in your list view so everyone stays aligned. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp. From the results, click the official ClickUp website and sign in to your workspace if prompted. Once you're in, navigate to a specific list where you're tracking related tasks. This is the place where dependencies will be most helpful, because you'll see how tasks affect one another directly in your day-to-day view. To make dependencies easy to manage, add the Dependencies column to your list. At the top of your list view, click the plus sign to add a new column. In the search field that appears, type Dependencies. When you see the Dependencies option, click it to add the column. You'll now have a dedicated place in your list to view and manage task relationships at a glance. If you don't see the option, make sure you're in a view that supports custom columns and that you have the right permissions. Let's clarify what ClickUp dependencies are and why they matter. Dependencies define how tasks relate to one another when one task must start or finish before another can proceed. They're essential for accurate timelines, realistic workload planning, and preventing workflow bottlenecks. Without them, it's easy for someone to start work too early, miss a prerequisite, or unintentionally block another teammate. In ClickUp, dependencies establish task order in two clear ways. First, a task can be waiting on another task to be completed. That tells everyone that the next piece of work shouldn't begin until the prior task is done. Second, a task can be blocking another task from starting. This makes the impact explicit. As long as the blocking task is open, the dependent task stays on hold. This simple structure ensures work progresses in the correct sequence and helps avoid premature task execution. With the dependencies column visible in your list, you can quickly spot where work is paused or causing a delay and prioritize accordingly. A helpful tip is to keep task names clear and outcomes specific, so it's obvious which items should precede others. Also, review dependencies during planning to confirm that due dates and assignees reflect the true order of work. That's it. You searched for ClickUp, opened your workspace, selected the right list, added the dependencies column, and learned how waiting on and blocking relationships keep your projects flowing in the right order.